Hello everyone, I'm Jenny Han from Jenny Han Edu. Today I'd like to discuss how to help your students improve their writing skills and also share insights on biography writing. Many people usually tend to focus on narrative writing, opinion writing, and essays when they teach writing. But in reality, it's crucial to teach different types of writings to excel in writing skills. Today, I'll briefly explain how to teach biography writing step by step. Biography writing is taught in second grade in the United States. And you probably know that writing is directly connected to the reading, so good reading skills can significantly enhance writing skills. So when guiding your students in biography writing, having them read a biography book can greatly improve their writing skills. Now, let me share the steps on how to teach biography writing. First, ask who the famous person or admired figure is. Inquire about what they know about the person and how they came to know it. Ask your student if they have ever read a book about a single person and emphasize that the book is a biography. Then, ask about the typical content found in biographies, such as life stories, childhood, family, school days, work, timeline, photos, achievements, death, and post-death stories are common themes. After that, show them a biography book. Confirm if all the contents are included and read the book together. Next, guide your student to think about whom they would like to write about when writing a biography. You need to encourage your students to research about the person and also emphasize the importance of factual, accurate research. You can tell them to use trustworthy sources such as reliable websites or books like Britannica Kids, which offers content at various reading levels. Then plan the writing and discuss the content. It's crucial to capture key events and to convey the person's growth and change effectively. Explore the inner world of the character, express emotions and thoughts to create a strong connection with the reader. Your students need to remember that starting with the significant events or achievements in the narrative can capture the reader's interest. Also, stress the biographies are written in the past tense with the last sentence in the present or future tense, allowing for reflections on the current situation, predictions, or hopes. Overall, the engaging and vivid style of language is necessary. Avoid biases towards the person and maintain a critical perspective. Enhance the writing with necessary diagrams, timelines, and pictures. Then, revise and complete the writing. So everyone, today we've explored some important aspects in writing. Let your kids or students experience different types of writing pieces to increase and enhance their writing skills. And since writing is closely linked to reading, always remember to help your kid read lots of books and encourage them to write new types of writings. And don't let them hesitate to take on new writing challenges. Thank you for watching. See you next time.